Robert's brushing himself with a human brush. That's what happens when I take it. He's like, man, that's my brush. Really, it's not his brush. It's not my brush either. But sometimes I use this. I'll be back on. I need to finish brushing myself. And one issue with this is this is a kitty brush. Let's get a close up of his face. He's getting on my dang face, Sarah. So I don't want a YouTuber to look at my face. And this is his body. I don't know if I showed you his body before, but look how that thing moves. Look at the tail. Look at the tail. Even the body. Yeah, and he is married to 75 American girl. Yes. I'm gonna end this video. Good night, you two people.